Let's learn about the Figma Motion timeline. To access the timeline, switch the toolbar toggle to Motion. The timeline lives across the bottom of your screen. This is where you'll set keyframes, adjust animation placement and length, and preview your animations. You can resize the timeline by clicking and dragging the top edge, or collapse it entirely to give yourself more space to preview your animations. Once you add animations to an object, they'll appear on the timeline. Figma Motion includes two types of animations: preset animation styles, which appear as blue tracks on the timeline, and keyframes, which appear as blue diamonds. You can click and drag an animation to reposition it on the timeline. To adjust the length of an animation, use the handles on either side of an animation style, or select a keyframe and drag it to set a new duration. As you build your animations, zooming in and out of the timeline makes it easier to fine-tune specific moments. To change the zoom level, use this slider, pinch or spread 2 fingers on your trackpad, or hold the modifier key while scrolling your mouse wheel. You can collapse all layers on the timeline to cut the visual noise when working on a specific object's animation, or click the eye icon next to an animation to hide it, letting you preview others in isolation. By default, all new animations are set to 2000 milliseconds or 2 seconds. You can adjust the timeline's duration using this handle, or by typing a new value in the duration field. To preview your animation, click play or press spacebar. To stop playback, click pause or press spacebar again. You can click and drag the playhead or enter a value in the current time field to move it to a specific point in time. Figma Motion has 3 playback modes: loop, which repeats the animation continuously; once, which plays the animation a single time and then stops; and ping pong, which plays the animation forward, then backward. You can also drag the playhead manually to scrub through the animation at your own speed.